Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Erica and Cassie here in the Little Blue House Farm in Mexico. Today we're just going to take you guys a day in the life. It is 60 degrees Fahrenheit here in Guanajuato, Mexico. It's a little bit chillier than usual. It has been raining a lot. Like I told you guys, it's tiempo de agua or something like that. They call it temporada de agua or something, where it rains. It's water season, or rainy season. It rains a lot here. For a few months, it's kind of chilly, like I said. I think since it's a chillier day today, I'm gonna go ahead and bake some bread. I have some bananas that are going ripe. I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some banana bread or banana muffins. I'm not sure what, but I'll bring you guys along. I'll also be making some lunch later on for the family. And I think we're gonna go to the store because Jose needs something for the dogs for the flies. There's a lot of flies and they keep sticking to them, so we're gonna try to go see if we can find something to put on them so that those flies can go away. But we'll bring you guys along on whatever we do today. So we hope you guys enjoy our vlog. And if you guys do, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. For right now, let's go to the school. Oh, I'm cold. You're not cold? You got a sweater on, huh? After the rain, the mountains look gorgeous. The only reason I'm wearing a hat today is because I don't know if the sun's gonna come out. But it's not sunny right now. It's still very cloudy. Still looks like it's gonna continue to rain, but I do see the sun peeking out over there. So hopefully it comes out for a little bit. We have solar panels on for our bathroom for the water. Okay, she's asking me for fruit too, so yeah, we have to go to the mercado today. So I was saying we have solar panels for our showers in our bathrooms, and they just make it for a few of us so we can shower. We do have a water heater as well. So yesterday Jose had to turn it on to shower because the water was too cold. But you guys can see it's rained quite a bit. There's little puddles everywhere. Just great for the flowers, the plants. But now we need some sun so all of our veggies start growing with the heat and the rainwater. Look at those really small. These mangoes. There's an aloe vera plant there as well. People walking. There's a lot of people at the school right now. Walking over there. So much people walking. Cutting the grass here. Look at these ants. Teamwork. A whole trail of them. They're going in here with their leaves. It's the little things that count. I get excited about those kind of things. Not much, but it is. I feel like I've been getting less tired now that I've been walking more again. Listen to all those birds though. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my goodness, that's a beautiful flower. Vente más. Ella que le gusta el señor. Mira. Ponle más. Pásale a él. Así que le vendo, señor. Mommy, can you buy me a boo-boo? You want a la boo-boo? Yeah. I saw a store que tenía un boo-boo. Yeah? Yeah. There's a mama boo-boo. Give me one. Mommy, I told you there were so many here. Buenos días. I'll take some tomatoes, some papas, and some limones from here. I'll take some chicken also. Look at these beautiful boots. You want to go inside? We have to go see someone though. Come on. We're here for Cassie now. A lot of parents waiting by the door. Mom,
we don't have school till Monday.
What did you just tell me?
Yeah, we don't have school till Monday.
Oh man, the little kid's gonna break my hair. Let's go.
Can we go again?
The sun is finally out, so we're hoping these plants get some sun. It's only gonna be sunny for a little while, so perfect. Them heat up a little bit. Still see no tomatoes. A lot of flowers, but no tomatoes. That zucchini's growing really good. I don't think this one is gonna grow. But this one's beautiful. Look at this. Tomato plants. Still no tomatoes. No tomatoes. Ooh, I like friends. There's a baby tomato here. Look it. Oh, my first tomato. These don't have fruit yet. The lagas are starting to grow back up again. Oh, the sun feels so good after so many days no sun. I'll take this out before they start growing back. This heat's gonna make things grow again. So all the water. Look at this beautiful kale, friends. This is not kale. I don't know what it is. Some kind of something. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Here's the tomato plants, and it looks like it's gonna be like a zucchini or something, but I don't know. This squash finally stayed up. And little cucumbers. This one dried up, so I didn't get. Ow! 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 This one dried up. Oh, there's another one out here. I can smell them. There's a whole little spider right there. And there we go. Update on the plants. Here's my roses. Pouring a lot of new leaves. This one already died. Just cut it off. Well, there we go, friends. I put 2 thighs, 3 legs, and a half of a breast here to cook, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna prepare it. But for right now, I've added a tomato and a piece of onion. So I ended up making just caldo de pollo because I was gonna make some sopa de fideo with the caldo, and I don't have any sopa de fideo, so I'm just gonna make the caldo de pollo and some homemade tortillas. That's what we're gonna eat. Caldito de pollo. Yours has arroz. Mine has chile serrano, cebolla, and limon. We're gonna go for a walk, but it looks like it's gonna rain.
It's butterproof.
Saudi with her dress and her water boots. Car coming? Oh. I thought you said car coming. I came for a walk because it finally was sunny today. I haven't even baked my bread that I said I was going to bake because the day has been beautiful. I did bring my umbrella just in case. We're going for a walk. After I just ate like 4 homemade tortillas and a plato de caldo de a plato. What is it called? Pollo. Caldo de pollo. Wow, okay, she didn't even guess it. Wow. She's been wanting to do this. Oh, keep going.
No. Are we just going around here?
No?
No.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna go up.
Mommy, I forgot my purse. Mommy, I forgot my purse. I wanted to buy something.
So many people taking advantage of the day that it's not raining.
Not popped all the way. There's not that much gas in the ball, but. Walking on the blue side.
Pa allá y pa acá.
Come pick us up.
I think we made a mistake. We got caught by the rain.
Tell them to come pick us up.
Let's go in a little tiendita over there.
Okay, ready? On the 3 and a 3 and a 4 in the side.
Go.
Let's go, maybe.
Go, let's go.
Mom, run! It's gonna be wet. Run! Saudi, run! Saudi,
It's gonna pass. Look at the clouds. It's just this cloud on top of us. Look at that rainbow. Look at that rainbow over there. Over there. Let me cover my phone so it doesn't get all wet. Look at the rainbow. You see it? Right there.
Let's go on the bus.
Look at that beautiful
That wall gets you
rainbow.
white. The wall gets you
It's
white.
going up, up, up. Well, friends, we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Just got out of the shower. I didn't bake the bread until tomorrow since we had cake. We just got out of the shower, right, Mommy? Say have a great and blessed night. All right, friends. See you tomorrow. Bye.